We're at a Quality Inn, and this right here is some of the stuff that they got at this one. An indoor playground for the younger kids. A non-hole putt-putt. Which is pretty cool. Got a little infant area. Got a nice pool. It goes all the way to 9 foot deep on this one. Which is, it felt pretty good. Not as warm as we were hoping for. Over here on this side, they got a small arcade. They got a little recliner chairs, little bouncy grab ball area, some basketball hoops and everything. It's a nice size pool. Up at the upper section right there, they got a hot tub. Got seating at the top. They kind of got these little ping pong tables. I don't know where you get the ping pong balls or the paddles from. Little bending dispensers here with the little tiny things for kids, gumballs, bubble gum, and all that. Of course, they got a hurricane simulator. And I'll take you inside the arcade, kind of show you around what they got. They got some machines on the outside, which is pretty cool. Wasn't really expecting to see all of this in here. They got all kinds of bouncy balls and things like that in here. And it's a pretty decent size for being inside a hotel room. Air hockey. Your stuffed animals. One with little duckies and stuff. They got a coin machine. A little bit of random money and everything. Gift cards. Cards for to actually play games here. They go gumball machine. Halo. And they got an ATM in here if you needed cash. It's out of service right now. I got this cool driving simulator here, but one of the sides was busted. It was lighting up, and they came in and turned it completely off, so there's only one right now. Another little stuffed animal machine. Some ski balls. And different little things over here to try to win you some prizes. You got tattoos, stickers, all kinds of stuff like that. Got a change machine. And of course, if you want to play certain games, they have the machine to get you a card. Nice little stay.